Hi everyone, my name is Ashley and I'm an employee here at Farmer John's Greenhouse, as well as an environmental studies student at the University of Michigan. There's always a lot to consider when planting your garden, but have you ever considered choosing a native species? Today we'll be taking a look at some of the countless benefits of using native plants, as well as checking out a few Michigan natives that we carry here at our nursery. One of the most compelling reasons to plant native is that these species are usually much more low maintenance and thus much more cost effective. They often require little to no fertilizer and much less pesticide than their non-native counterparts. They also tend to require less watering and prevent soil erosion, which keeps your entire space much healthier. This saves you a lot of time and money as well. Native plants also attract native pollinators and some truly beautiful ones like butterflies and hummingbirds. In turn, these pollinators will keep your entire garden healthy and thriving. And of course, native plants can be just as unique and beautiful as any imported ones. The first native plant we'll be talking about that we carry here at Farmer John's is the Eastern Redbud tree. Eastern Redbuds are probably the most recognizable in early spring for their beautiful, small pinkish purple blossoms. They're usually some of the first things to bloom in spring, providing a much-needed early pop of color in March, April, and even into early May. Here in southeastern Michigan, we sit close to but still within the northernmost extent of their native range. Our next native plant is the elderberry. This shrub produces bunches of white flowers usually by June, and over the course of the summer, the flowers will give way to clusters of elderberries, which are dark in color, usually a dark blue, almost black looking for most varieties. The elderberry's native range extends over most of eastern North America, including here in Michigan. Up next is swamp milkweed. This tall flowering plant has narrower leaves than the common milkweed, and in late summer to early fall produces clusters of tiny pink flowers. The milky sap from which they get their name makes them resistant to deer and rabbits, but attracts countless butterflies, including the ever-recognizable monarch. The native range of the swamp milkweed includes almost the entire United States and eastern Canada, including Michigan, of course. We also carry a flower called blue stars. From the late spring to early summer, this flowering plant produces clusters of pale blue, star-shaped blooms, rightfully earning it the name blue star. It is also quite well known for its vibrant fall foliage, making a beautiful choice for all seasons. Similar to the swamp milkweed, this plant contains a milky sap that tends to discourage grazing from deer and rabbits. This plant is native to the eastern and southeastern regions of the U.S., once again putting Michigan on the northernmost part of their native range. Next up on our list is the dwarf blazing star. In the late summer to fall, this flowering plant blooms in upright plumes of bright pink or magenta and almost fluffy-looking flowers. The dwarf blazing star is very attractive to bees and other pollinators, and their native range covers most of eastern North America, and their populations are concentrated in the Midwest. One very well-known native plant is the BlackEyed Susan. This distinctive flower has vibrant golden yellow petals and a contrasting black center, the black eye for which the flower gets its name. They are known for their reliably long blooming period, usually from midsummer through well into the fall. They are native and widespread as both garden and wildflowers in most of eastern North America. Our final native plant for today is a grass called little blue stem. It provides tall, upright foliage, beginning in mid to late spring with a pastel blue and green color, then transitioning to a more coppery color in the fall. Its beauty, as well as low maintenance and high ecological value, earned it the Perennial Plant Association's title of 2022 Perennial Plant of the Year. The native range of little blue stem covers most of the continental US and Canada. Bye everyone! Thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite native plant down below. Bye!